What is popping, guys, and welcome to the 2023 version of what is in my tattoo bag. If you want to know all the gear that I am currently using to do all these tattoos, then this is the video to watch. So let's go. If you are a long-time sub and follower of this channel, you will know that I use the Bishop wand shader. The Bishop wand shader, still to this day, since it came out, has been one of the, top tier machines. Now, I do have other machines, but this is generally my go-to. Or it was my general go-to. In 2023, I have upgraded to the Bishop wand packer. However, it is not the regular packer. It is the OG stainless steel version of the packer. It's exactly the same, it's just a little bit heavier, and it is stainless steel, and it doesn't have the gold rim thing. For those of you wanting to know, because I get asked all the time, I run my shader at 8.7 to 9 volts, and I run the packer at 7.5 to 8 volts. Next up would be the backbone of a tattoo, that being the needles. Without these, you cannot do the tattoo, and that is, and still is, Quadrant. I love Quadrant as a brand. Now, there is some needles that I don't like using that Quadrant make because they just aren't as good, but for the most part, Quadrant as a brand, as an overall brand and an overall needle company, absolutely fantastic. I do not see myself moving from Quadrant. Only thing about Quadrant is that their needles are pretty expensive, and I am aware that not everyone are gonna be able to afford Quadrants. I think for the 23s, for 23 mags, I think you are looking at around 45 quid. So, for a box of needles, it is up there, man. Like, it is definitely up there in price, but they are extremely good needles, and I don't see myself using any other needles apart from Quadrant. Now, obviously, I have used other needles in the past, that being Cheyenne, that being Elite, that being Easy. I've been using the masked needles, the Masked Pro needles, which again completely surprised me. The Masked Pro needles, if you are looking for a cheaper needle, the Masked Pro needles they're good, they're really good, and they will get the job done. I don't want to say that it's a get what you pay for situation, because I definitely don't think it is. All these other brands of needles are good, they are really good. I think I'm so stuck in my ways with Quadrant now that I definitely don't see myself switching to any others unless I'm forced to, like grey wash. Which brings me on to my grey wash, and probably the biggest update from the last what's in my tattoo bag. It actually hurts to talk about it, genuinely hurts to talk about it. Oh, so in that last video, you will know that I was using Silverback and I was using the Insta range. However, people like to get involved. A legislation came in called REACH, which has just shoved Silverback off the map. Silverback is no more. I spoke to Randy at Silverback, and he hasn't produced any Silverback now for, I think he said a year. Don't quote me, I can't exactly remember what he said, but yeah, he's not producing Silverback. I imagine he just can't, give the same quality pigment with the REACH standards. So Silverback's gone, man. And it put me in a shit mood. I have used Silverback for a good 9 years. I bought the OG Silverback set when it came out, and I used it ever since. It's just, I'm to this day, I'm still devastated that the remaining Silverback that I have needs to last for the tattoos that I've done with Silverback, and I can't use it for anything else. Which is when Empire steps up. Empire is my new go-to grey wash. Now, I've been pretty vocal about Empire. I originally used Empire and it was way too light of a pigment. And I put Empire off to the side and I started to use other grey washes. Now, I am not a make-it-yourself drop system guy. It's just too inconsistent for me. I like the consistency, knowing that if I pour a light into a cup, no matter how big that ink cup is, it's still going to be the same consistency throughout. Whereas a drop system, if I use 2 drops of black and then rest distilled water, if I like change ink cup sizes, it's inconsistent. I'm not getting the same tones that I was getting before. So I just love pre-made washes, and I went through and I tried different pre-mades, including world famous, and nothing was working. Like, nothing for me touched Silverback and what I was used to. And if I'm honest, I think that definitely played a massive part in not liking Empire at first, because it wasn't Silverback. When I went to World Famous and tried World Famous, again, it wasn't Silverback. So I find myself having to let go. And I went back and tried Empire again. And it's not Silverback. It isn't Silverback, but it is the best that I have tried, and it is the closest that I have tried. Next up in my tattoo bag will be the Stencil Solution Stencil Premium by Alloy Tattoo. Now, I have done a review on this Stencil Solution and you can go watch it here, but it is honestly, hands down, one of the greatest stencil solutions that I have ever used. If you want to know why, then you can go watch that video. But trust me when I say it is so good. And I cannot praise this stencil solution enough. And I used Electrum for years. I've used Anchored, I've used stencil stuff, and this one just smashes those out the park. And I'm not throwing shade at Electrum, Anchored, or stencil stuff there. I just honestly feel that this one is superior in every way. But if stencil stuff, Electrum, or Anchored happen to come across this video, don't get your knickers in a twist. You're still good brands. Next up, and no change, I am still using the Critical Wireless Power Supply. It has not faltered. I have never had a single issue with running these power supplies. I have used them now for, what, maybe 2 years? Going on 2 years, a year and a half, something like that. And yeah, flawless. They have not skipped a beat. They have never lost any power. They are so convenient, like not been tied to a clip cord or an RCA cord, and having that freedom is, you don't realize just how much you're tied in with that cord until you go wireless. Only thing that I don't really like about them is the fact that you can't have a programmable button to jump from 1 volt to the next. I would love to see that implemented, maybe through a software update or something, I don't know. But I would love to see I want to be working at 7.5 and then I want to be working at 10. I want to be able to press a button to jump straight from 7.5 to 10. But that's the only thing negative that I can say about the Critical Wireless Power Supply. Other than that, flawless. And last but certainly not least, I am using Biota. It's a new product that's not been out very long, and I just wanted to test it and see how it goes. Now, I will warn you that if you do happen to purchase some Biota, this stuff is strong. Now, I don't mean strong as in the capabilities of the numbing that it claims to do, but the smell of the aloe vera is just, it's pungent, man. It's so strong. So be wary of that if you do get Biota. But I have been using Biota and I have found that it works really well. It's nice and thin, it doesn't clog the needle, and also it doesn't get rid of my stencil. Now, a little bonus for those that actually do want to know, the camera that I use to take photos of my tattoos is the Sony a7 IV. If you do end up getting this camera, I would recommend the 35mm 1.4 lens, and you will get the greatest pictures of your tattoos possible, providing you know how to use the camera. However, guys, please, these are fine. Finally, the camera bag that I am using is the PG Tech One More. I love this bag. This bag comes everywhere with me, like everywhere. But guys, that is what's in my tattoo bag 2023. If you are new around here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like this video. Liking the videos really does help push the channel out. And do not forget to turn on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you want any added extra benefits, you can join my Patreon. Link is in the description. However, please do not join if you are not going to use it. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace out. Much love. What is popping, guys, and welcome to an updated version of what is in my camera bag. Tattoo bag.